Hi there, my name is Marissa, and I wanted to take some time to tell you about my experience with Cadence Physical Therapy Company. So early this year, I had a sudden and serious injury that led to multiple fractures and a dislocation in one of my ankles, and that was followed up by 2 surgeries, so I knew that recovery was going to be kind of a long road, but also that physical therapy was part of that treatment plan. So eventually, when it came time for me to choose a place to go to, my mom, who was very concerned about me getting the best quality care possible, decided to join a local Facebook group and ask for some suggestions. And that's when we heard about Cadence. So we really wanted individual care and a staff that wasn't overloaded to the point where they couldn't give you that one-on-one attention that patients really benefit from. And Cadence was great for that. So I worked mostly with David and Ryan over a period of months, and we all really connected and continued conversations each session that I really looked forward to the visits, aside from just doing the exercises. It was kind of fun to catch up on what had been going on in everybody's lives, and they genuinely showed interest and cared about their patients. Some of the most beneficial treatments were definitely the consistent physical therapy sessions. They also provided some printouts with photos of exercises so that I could do them at home and wouldn't really have questions on how things worked because I had a document right there to help me. I also had a dry needling session that was very helpful, made a big difference in how my ankle was feeling and my mobility. And I also had some electrotherapy a few of my visits, just to stimulate my nerves and all of that good stuff, and that was also pretty cool. At the physical therapy sessions themselves, they really kept the exercises and equipment that you used varied, so that it kept things interesting and it wasn't just the same routine every single visit, which I really appreciated because my mind gets bored kind of easily. But there's a big difference between my first visit to Cadence and the time I was discharged. So first time that I visited for my assessment, I actually showed up to the appointment in a wheelchair. I could barely rotate my ankle. There was quite a bit of pain and discomfort, and Ryan helped me to start kind of testing standing on the both legs and getting some movement going. And by the time of discharge, I was able to walk, jump, drive, and had significantly reduced pain and discomfort. And now I'm back to normal life quite a bit more than I was months ago. They also provided knowledge that is really still useful to me as I gain more strength, techniques, and little things that can help me to just be more comfortable and feel more secure as my body kind of continues and finishes up that healing process. So since working with Cadence Physical Therapy Company, my life has been a lot brighter and full of a lot more possibilities due to my increased mobility and lack of pain. And so not only did they help me to get back to a better level of functioning in daily life, but also got me into the routine of regularly exercising just to help my body feel better as medicine. And that's something that motivated me to maintain it on my own outside of physical therapy as well, which is hard to do. So if you're looking for a physical therapy center that has staff all around, front desk and physical therapists and techs who genuinely care and are invested in their patients' happiness and well-being, I would say that Cadence it is. Thank you.